welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I have a little bit different setting. As you can see, my background is my Kuromi and my Melody flower wall. So I got this inspiration from a cafe in London, and it was really cute. It's like a Kuromi and my Melody cafe, and then so they're my favorite, right? So I was like, okay, I need to make something like that. So this is what I made so far. It's not really finished yet, but I might add more touch to it. Kind of on this side I have all my Labubu right here, and then on the other side I have my Kuromi and my Melody stuff. So yeah, so just want to show you guys a little bit. So I just came back from my vacation from Hong Kong, so I have some cute stuff to show you guys, so I'll save it for the next video. So today is gonna be our tutorials to build this little Kuromi charm or keychain. So I built this a while ago. I just don't have a chance yet because I've been busy with school, so I didn't get to put it together. But I finally, put it together, did the pattern, and do this videos with you guys. Yeah. So this one is super easy to build. It took me about like 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes to assemble it. But building part is always taking a time, and but then this one is like a beginner level, so it's gonna be really fun. It looks really cute on the bag or just anything. Yeah, so I just want to show you a little cute bag that I have. It actually reads, because it's opposite like a reflection, but it actually reads less Mondays and more Sundays. So I love that. And also this is the keychain charm right here that we're gonna be making today. Look at this bag. It says less Monday and more Sunday, and look at the charm here. It's super cute with this diamond bag. Perfect. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want me to make something more difficult, or you want me to make something similar to this, more like beginner level, let me know. Comment down below so I can see what I should make next in the tutorial. Alright, so let's get started with this one. Alright, so let's get started. You can see we don't have a lot of pieces, so it's actually pretty easy to build. So let's get started with our connectors, these two. Okay, so you can see I already marked it here with the white line. So this will be the center one. So this will be our centerpiece, as you can see. All right, so this one with the pink dot is gonna be right here. So let's slide it in, and then put this right here to cover the white lines. All right, so that's set up for the first one, and then the bottom one as well. This one is pointing forward. Okay, so let's slide it in. Right, that looks good. All right, it's a little bit uneven because you're gonna find out later. Okay, all right, so if you have your pieces laid out like this, so we can just add on. All right, so this one would be going to the front, this piece right here. So feel free to take your time, because the first time with the bead sometimes it's hard to insert it. Alright, so this is the first one. The second one with the two pink dots on the top. Let's add it to the top. Alright, looking good. Alright, we got two more pieces to the front. So this is the face piece, as you can see. Alright, looking good. So we just got one more piece here to place it onto the top, but I would like to build the outer first before putting this one on. Okay, all right, so let's go to the back and build the back piece. Okay, so let's flip it over here, and we're gonna grab this piece over here to put it on the top. All right, looking good. All right, the next piece will be this one. Okay, so we're gonna place this on the top. Oops, you can see Some of my bead kind of move a little bit, so it should be just one left, okay, on the top. All right, so this one will be here, and we're almost there. All right, we got 2 more pieces. All right, so it's gonna be this piece right here. I'm gonna add it onto the top. All right, this will be our last piece to put onto the back. You can hear the cracking sound. All right, so let's go to the side pieces. All right. Oh, actually, we can add the bottom first. So this last piece right here, they're very even, right? So it's the last piece. Let's add it to the bottom. Let's see, I have to move a little bit so I can give room. Oops. Yeah. All right, so oops, maybe better on the other side. Let's try this again. Oh yeah, definitely better. Okay. All right, so we got the bottom piece in as well. All right, so let's add the side pieces. So the first side piece would be, all right, so the first side piece would be this one. You can see it's a little bit uneven. This one has only 1 bead. These on this side, they both have 2 beads. So the one with the 2 sides with the 2 beads is going to face forward with the face. So let's go this way. Yeah, this time I have nails, so it's easier to put it in. All right, so let's go to the other side again. The bottom ones right here has 2 beads. It's going to face forward. Okay, face forward with the face. So let's slide it in. Perfect. All right, so the next one will be this, and then they look exactly even, so don't worry about it. All right, now let's flip to the other side and add this one. All right, so a few more pieces right here, then we're almost done. All right, so this one will be this, the outer piece, and then the outer piece on the other side. Just place it on here. Perfect. All right, so let's add the top piece right here with the pink piece facing forward to complete the top part. All right, comes to our last piece. So you can see how we have the side piece. Now we can hold on to this piece. Perfect. Yay. How cute, right? It's very easy to build. So if you do want to add a keychain like the one that I had showing earlier, as you can see right here, it has three lines, right? Like 3 beads right here. So we can actually add a ring in the middle. So let me show you. All right, so you will need this, the little tool, okay? And then we need a couple of these metal rings. Yeah, so if you have been doing keychains, so you can get it from maybe Dollar Trees or the craft store. So right here I actually have 2. So I have 1 added right here. So I'm gonna add this one first. Right here, I already have it open. As you can see, it's very easy to open it, right? So you hold it on one side and then open the other side. So I'm gonna hold this right here. I'm gonna add this right in the middle bead. You have to open big enough to do that. Yeah. So as you can see, now it's already slided in. Yeah. So from here, I'm going to add it to the middle metal one that I have. So, and then now since it's added, you can see they're together. I'm gonna close. goes perfectly. And then you can twist the opening inside the beads. We can't really see it. Yeah, so this is how you can add a keychain to the top and turn this into a charm for your bag, backpack, or your purse. Alright, I hope you like this one, and if you want to feel more 3D perlers, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and stay tuned for more tutorials. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!